how to show or hide charging information on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on battery. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on charging settings. In here, tap on show charging information. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn this on, you will show charging information. And it said here, show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not shown. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.